Meaning of luck.
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 Luck. Luck generally refers to the concept of chance or fortune that brings about good or bad events or circumstances in someone's life. It is often considered to be an unpredictable and uncontrollable force, which can have a significant impact on an individual's life outcomes. Some people believe that luck is a product of fate, while others attribute it to hard work, preparation, and opportunity. Regardless of one's perspective on luck, it remains a popular topic of discussion and inquiry, as people seek to understand the forces that shape their lives.